Let me show you how to use VLOOKUP, the formula that does the searching for you. Step 1. Start the formula. First, type the equal sign. This tells Excel we're writing a formula. Now type VLOOKUP. Step 2. Select the lookup value. Click on the cell that contains the item you want to look up. For example, the name of a product. Step 3. Select the table range. Next, highlight the entire table where Excel should search for the value. This is the range where Excel will look. Step 4. Enter the column number. Now, tell Excel which column contains the answer. For example, if the prices are in the second column, just type 2. Step 5. Close the formula, close the bracket, hit Enter, and boom, the price appears instantly. Step 6. Copy the formula down. If you need prices for multiple items, copy the formula down. But wait, you might see an error. Why? Because the table range is shifting as you copy. Step 7. Fix the error with F4. To fix this, undo and go back to the formula. Click inside the table range and press F4. Excel adds $signs to lock the rows and columns. This keeps the range fixed. Final step. Now when you copy the formula down, it works perfectly for every item. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.